Good afternoon, children. We have been discussing about geography, chapter 5. In the last videos, we have seen so many things about the agriculture and the case studies. In the same way, through the new video, we shall see different types of crops grown in India and rest part of the world. So let's begin. Millet and sorghum. In most parts of the tropics, millets are used both as a food and fodder crop. Food and fodder crops means for human use as well as animals use. These are consumed especially in the drier parts of the tropics where rice and wheat cannot be grown. Those areas are suitable for the millets where rice and wheat is not grown. In India, 3 types of millet, that is ragi, jawar and bajra are grown. They are the millets. When it is small grain, it is known as millet, while the large grain variety is known as sorghum. In its small rays, it is known millet. When it grows largely, it is known as sorghum. In Southeast Asia, millets are usually the poor man's staple food. साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में इसको जो गरीब लोग हैं उसको यूज़ करते हैं अपने खाने के लिए. अब कैसी कंडीशन इसके लिए चाहिए, इससे ग्रोथ के लिए, इसको हम देखते हैं. कंडीशंस फॉर ग्रोथ. टेम्परेचर. द एवरेज टेम्परेचर रिक्वायर्ड for this crop is 25 degree to 30 degree Celsius. Rainfall. Millet needs about 40 centimeter to 50 centimeter of rainfall. It grows well in arid area. जो सूखी एरिया है उसमें इसको उगाया जाता है. इसको पानी कम ही चाहिए. सॉइल इसके लिए कैसे सुटेबल है? लाइट सैंडी सॉइल टू रेड एंड येलो लूमी सॉइल्स आर सुटेबल फॉर मिलेट कल्टीवेशन. एरियाज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. इंडिया, नाइजीरिया, नाइजर, चाइना and Southeast Asia are the major producers of millet. The US, Argentina and Russia produce very minor quantity. In India, all dry lands that are not suitable for the growth of rice and wheat grow millets. In our country where we live, those areas which is not suitable for wheat and rice, there people cultivate millets. It is suitable for the arid areas. Important areas are the Deccan Plateau, Rajasthan and Gujarat. They get very scanty rainfall. That's why this type of practices are done there. Beverage crops. Tea, coffee and cocoa are considered beverage crops. All are exclusively grown in the tropics and subtropics, mostly as plantation crops, but are consumed all over the world. Tea, obtained from the leaves of an evergreen bush, tea is the cheapest beverage available The tea and Liberica are the three popular varieties grown in different areas. Arabica is the variety used to make mocha coffee. Conditions for growth: temperature. Coffee prefer moderate temperature of 14 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. With frost-free days. Rainfall. Humid conditions with rainfall of 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter is suitable for coffee cultivation. Irrigation is required if rainfall is lower. Soil. Rich porous soils and even volcanic soils are ideal for the cultivation of coffee. Land. Undulating highlands, slopes and plateaus are suited to its cultivation. Labor. Large amounts of cheap labor is required for pruning, picking and processing the coffee beans. Areas of production. Brazil leads the world in coffee production. Colombia, Western and Eastern Africa, Central America and Indonesia are major producers. India too produces coffee in plantation in Portal, the Eastern and Western Ghats, and in Nilgiri hill regions, in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Fiber crops: cotton, jute, hemp and flax are vegetable fiber that are used to make textiles. Jute. Jute is a tall reed-like plant and an important vegetable fiber. It is also known as the golden fiber. Being economical to manufacture it, it is used to make ropes, sacking or sack cloth for packing and textiles for clothing and furnishing. Favorable condition for cultivation. Temperature. Jute requires a hot climate with temperatures of 24 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Rainfall. Wet conditions and heavy rainfall of required for this type of cultivation. So up to here we have seen this video. We shall discuss the next in the next video. Till then, you do your task, get your work prepared and do your task properly. Here something is there. Let's see. टी के लिए किस तरह की कंडीशन यहाँ पर दी हुई है. टेम्परेचर देखते हैं. टी रिक्वायर्स टेम्परेचर्स ऑफ 25 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस फॉर इट्स ग्रोथ. Rainfall. A continuous humid climate with rainfall of over 100 centimeter to 250 centimeter favors tea cultivation. Soil: acidic, well-drained soil with a high degree of fertility is required for tea production. Large quantities of fertilizers are added to stimulate growth. Land: most tea gardens are on terraced hill slopes which are well trained. Labor: a large skilled labor force is required, especially for pruning, picking, processing, and maintaining the tea gardens. Women from nearby areas are hired for picking the leaves. Areas of production: China, India, Sri Lanka dominate world tea production. Japan, Indonesia, and Bangladesh are the other major tea producing nations. A small percentage of tea is also grown in the CIS states of Central Africa. In India, Assam and Darjeeling are known throughout the world for the different brands of tea production there. The Nilgiri Hills and parts of the Western Ghats are also important tea growing areas. Coffee: the coffee trees first discovered growing wild in Kaffa in Ethiopia is today grown in large parts of the tropics and is a very popular beverage. The coffee's beans or berries are picked, roasted, and ground to make coffee powder. Arabica, Robusta, and Liberica are the three popular varieties grown in different areas. Arabica is the variety used to make mocha coffee. In this way we have seen this point. In the next video we shall discuss with the more details. And till then you do your task properly and manage all the question and answer properly. Write down in fair copy. PC as prescribed by the teacher should be prepared and go through. Don't miss anything. Task must be completed and up to date. Your examination is also about to take place in recent future. Till then, you have to be very careful and sincere. Thank you.